Ladies and gentlemen, gather round, because today we're talking about a van so rugged and ready for action, my buddy Steve tried to challenge it to a bench press competition. Spoiler alert, Steve pulled a hammy, the van didn't even break a sweat. Meet the Guero by Outpost Vans, a custom-built beast on wheels that laughs in the face of paved roads and politely nods at wilderness like, "Good to see you again, old friend." Before we dive into this diesel-powered dream, smash that subscribe button and throw us a like. We're out here crawling under vans so you can stay upright and smell nice. Now, the Guero isn't just a camper van, it's a full-blown survival capsule with style. It's built on a Ford Transit chassis, but the first thing you'll notice is that it looks like it bench-pressed a boulder for breakfast. The bull bar-mounted amber lights? I believe they could guide a lost spaceship home. They've got Rome Adventure Company boxes on the roof and an Owl Vans B2 carrier with an expedition box out back. And when nature calls, there's a portable dry flush toilet tucked neatly in the cabinetry like a hidden secret you only reveal at dinner parties after the wine kicks in. Now, onto the liquids. This van can carry 37 gallons, 140 liters, of fresh water and 20 gallons, 75 liters, of gray water. And with a 47-gallon, 178-liter, extended-range fuel tank, I think the Guero could drive straight into the wilderness, live off-grid for 2 weeks, and come back only because it missed Wi-Fi. The open layout makes the space feel roomy, and the seating area has a couch and a swivel table perfect for poker nights or regrettable craft projects. I liked the kitchen the most: 2 Corian countertops, stainless steel sink with filtered drinking faucet, a 2-burner induction cooktop, drawer-style fridge, and an overhead microwave. There's even a flip-up table because meal prepping in the wild is serious business. Sleeping arrangements? A thick 6-inch, 15 centimeters, custom mattress across the back, flares for extra room, and enough headspace that even Steve didn't hit his head, which is saying something. There's no full bathroom, but there is an outdoor shower and a cabinet-house dry flush toilet, which I think is as close to civilized as you can get when you're parked next to a bear. As for price, Outpost Vans hasn't dropped an official number, but I'd bet my neighbor's fishing boat it's somewhere between $200,000 and $250,000. That's €193,570 to €241,962 for my metric friends. So, if you're dreaming of a van that's built to conquer the outdoors without giving up on comfort or good looks, the Guero is your guy. Want to help us keep bringing you these vehicular dreams and avoid crashing weddings just to eat? Become a Campavto sponsor for just $1 a month. The link is under the video, right next to Steve's dignity.